Welcome to LNP Renewable System Limited. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of electromagnetic flow meter, or we can call it as a flow transmitter. So if you are working as a building management system engineer, or if you're working in a building automation control system, if you're working in a industrial automation, you need to know the basics of this electromagnetic flow meter, how it works. So today what are the things that we are going to discuss? What is the electromagnetic flow meter? Where it is used? Okay, where can you see this? How it looks like, and how the electromagnetic flow meter works, and how we can install this electromagnetic flow meter. What are the do's and don'ts while installing this flow meter? So if we consider the electromagnetic flow meter, it consists of two important parts. One is the transmitter side and the other one is the sensor. So together they measures the flow of the liquid which is flowing through that concerned tubes. Okay, so a magnetic flow meter, okay, has its sensor is placed in line and it measures the induced voltage generated by the fluid, okay, as it flows through the pipe. So the transmitter, okay, it takes the voltage generated by the sensor and it converts the voltage into a flow measurement and transmit the flow measurement to the control system. So this is how a basic electromagnetic flow meter works. So where can I see this and where can I use this? So we can see this in domestic water systems, industrial water systems, raw water, groundwater, urban sewages, industrial wastewater systems, and even in the processed pulp plants, okay, pulp slurry. In so many places we can use this electromagnetic flow meters. Okay, we can use it to check, to measure the flow of the chemical waters. We can use it for acid liquid and alkaline liquids. Even for the waste waters and the mud pulp, we can use these electromagnetic flow meters. Okay, so most importantly, we have so many varieties of electromagnetic flow meters. So based on our application and the flowing liquid, it is getting decided. So basically it works on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So according to this Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, okay, whenever we place a conductor in between, okay, say for example, okay, this is one magnet and this is the other magnet. Now if you place a conductor in between it, an EMF will get induced. We can take that EMF from the two terminals of this conductor. Okay, so this is how basically electromagnetic flow meter works. See here, there's an animation video. So we have a magnet. Okay, so when there is a flow, immediately an EMF is getting generated. So as we told earlier, the transmitter converts that generated voltage into the required flow. So this is how basically an electromagnetic flow meter works. So how it looks like is, there are so many varieties are there. Okay, even Siemens flow meter looks like this only. Okay, so based on the companies, there are so many varieties of electromagnetic flow meters are there. Okay, but basic thing that we need to keep in mind while installing this is that, so it need to be installed. If there is a flow from here to here, we can install across our flow meter here. Okay, and most importantly, there are so many types of electromagnetic flow meters are available based on, okay, the outer dia, okay, of the pipe where we are going to install it. Okay, and the type of liquid which is getting flow. So if our flow is through this line, okay, instead of installing here, we can install our flow meter here, electromagnetic flow meter here. And what are the most important do's and don'ts while installing it is that, so if the flow is from downward to upward, so we can install our, in the vertical line we can install our electromagnetic flow meter. If the liquid is flowing from in the pipe from the upward to downward owing to gravity, okay, in such places we should not install this electromagnetic flow meter. Then there is no use of measuring the flow. Okay, and if our flow is in a inclined way, okay, after the valve, if we are having a flow, in such places also we can install. Okay, so as we told earlier, if we have an end bends, okay, in these places we will have a much pressure. So in such places we should not install the electromagnetic flow meter, and even in the free flow downstreams also we should not install our electromagnetic flow meters. In this position also we can install. Okay, and we if we have the lowest points in the open drain pipe, we can install. Okay, and also see here, we should, if we are having any pumps installed in the pipelines, okay, immediately after the pumps, we should not install. Okay, it means don't install at the entrance of the pumps, install it at the exit point. So this here see there is an exit point, so here we can install. But if the pump is here, we should not install it above the, before that motors. So this is important do's and don'ts. Even we can install the, at the rising direction also we can install electromagnetic flow meters. Okay, so these are the basic do's and don'ts they pictorial represent. And most importantly, whenever you are fixing it, we should fix it properly. The coupling should not be improper. Okay, and if it is upstream we can install, but if it is flowing through the, because of the gravity in such places, we should not install it. Okay, so diagonally this position we can install the flow meters. We should not place our magnets improperly. Okay, and even in the downstream position we can install, in this position we should not install. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, please contact us. We are providing training and consultancy supports, design supports, uh, testing and commissioning supports for all the industrial automation, home automation, building automation projects. So if you need any training supports for your institutions and if your officers, you can contact us. We will provide you the support. And most importantly, we are also providing design, installation, testing and commissioning supports for solar on-grid, off-grid and hybrid applications. And also, if you want to know the electric vehicle basics also, you need training on that also, you can contact us. We have provided the contact details in it. Thank you so much.